All right, ladies and gentlemen. Tommy, it is time for us to see trucks at the Antelope Valley Fair. I believe the first time ever that a truck demolition derby is going to be happening here, at least since we've been coming here, Tommy.
Yes, absolutely. As far as I've ever seen.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, truck destruction derby. Here we go. I have no idea what to expect. I'm guessing the strategy is still kind of the same. Use the back end.
I've heard some guys say they're going to use the front. Some guys say they're going to use the back, Tommy. I don't know if there's any real set strategy to this.
Yeah, and I'm curious to see how the front ends do, considering these are trucks. Oh boy.
Dan Pacella coming in. He's going to be doing all four demolition derbies here tonight.
I think somebody lost their glove box already. Debris on the truck. Oh, I guess we can see some tip overs with how these trucks are set. Oh, Pacella with a big hit.
That was a real big hit.
On Burks there in that 11 truck. Oh, there's the tire.
I think we just got a tire.
So in this one, it's Dan Suto in the number 4 truck, Jerry Burks in the 11, 20X of Dave Garcia, 69 of Dan Pacella, and the 5150 of Kenny Boisvert. Yeah, these trucks don't have to worry about the berm either. Burks with a hit.
Well, yeah. Look at this thing. Like, we got like dualies out here.
We got a swing and a miss.
Credit for trying.
We saw the Scrap Iron Gym team with the 4 truck in the pit area.
Look at that lined up shot. Dan Pacella delivering to the front end of the 11.
So I'm seeing a lot of front end and back end hits. So maybe there isn't much of a strategy when it comes to trucks.
I see a lot of aiming for those tires though, Tommy. That's oftentimes a key, but I don't think this 11 is going to be lasting much longer.
You look at the front end. Oh, Pinky over there playing with Garcia.
Garcia's, there he goes. He looked like he was stuck. There's nothing left of this truck.
No. And Suto with a hit on Pacella. So looks like, looks like we have problems for the 20X of Garcia. He looks to be stuck on the moat.
I think he's stuck on himself.
He might be.
Because that truck was spinning tires in the middle of the arena just a second ago.
Maybe the brakes are locked up. Here comes Pacella to help him out by way of hitting him. And then Suto with a shot on Pacella. So it looks like we have about 3 healthy trucks left. Now Pacella's having some problems because his tire is staying put. The wheel is spinning. And I think Pinky is down to just 2 now. Boisvert and Pinky. Suto and Kenny Boisvert.
I'm like you, where I would think that the rear of these trucks, but again, we're talking about rear wheel drive.
Yeah.
So.
And different suspension. Think about it. You got the leaf springs. If you twist those up, who knows what it's going to do. So 2 things just happened just now. Garcia's working. Now Pacella's going. So one domino effect created a resolution. We had everybody stuck in one pileup, and now we're clear. Here comes Bob. Where's he going? I think Garcia is going to lose his bed. Oh boy. Oh, and a hit there.
And speaking of hits,
coming in for the kill shot right there. Suto and the number 4.
And now everyone's stuck.
Everybody's stuck. Pacella doesn't have a left rear tire. Boisvert is just stuck in the center. No radiator left for the 20X of Garcia. And Suto is stuck trying to, oh, no, he's
free.
The crowd favored right now. Dan
Well,
Suto.
It's got Hello Kitty on the side. I mean, are we coming in for another hit?
I think we might be. Here we go. Nope.
I mean, he doesn't need to. Sometimes we get excited in these. Oh, we are going in.
There he goes.
Taking a shot to Bavair there in the 5150. So Dan Sudo, we've raced against him out at Irwindale Speedway in the enduro racing and whatnot.
He is not giving up.
Coming in maybe for one more hit on Dan Pacella.
Let's see here.
But Tommy, when you're Pinky, you don't want to break everybody up.
I guess not.
And you're Pinky in the brain.
And the checkered is out. So the truck derby is done, Jeffrey, for the first time ever here at the Antelope Valley Fair, and the first time we've ever captured a truck derby. So Dan Sudo in that Ford truck says, bye, Felicia.